Hello everybody, today we will upgrade our table. We suggest voting until the end, because in the end we will paint with epoxy. First, prime the surface with quartz sand primer. We will now apply the acrylic mosaic plaster. We use fine plaster to get an even surface. Now, while we're watching, we have time to smash that like button. That will really help me. Leave it to dry. When it dries, we can easily trim corners and bumps. Now we apply on the edges of the table our mosaic primer plaster. Hit that, smash that like button and subscribe. I will appreciate it. Now we can make small decor on the table legs. It looks really smart. So finally, the final step, just trim the corners and bumps. It can look like this. It might be finished, but it's not for us. It is possible to sand mosaic plaster. The surface becomes even smoother, like marble. Now we check the strength. Mosaic plaster is strong enough, but as you can see, it can easily be partially filled and fixed, and after it dries there is no sign of damage. And now the final step, we will cover half table with just clear epoxy, just to make it nice shine, and other part will be colorful. And I can decide which side looks nicer for me, so please help me. Leave your comment which side of table is better. So we just simply spread epoxy all over the surface, on the edges, smoothen it with brush. On the other side we mixed blue and yellow colors and made a very colorful and nice table. I think mostly will be for this part of the table, because especially for me it looks better. Okay, so that's it for today. Table is finished. It's nice, looking nice. Now it can be used outside, inside, whatever. So you can easily transform your table yourself at home. It's nothing to do. So again, please subscribe, smash that like button, and see you in new videos. Bye.